Hi viewers, my topic today is to demonstrate and guide my viewers to do by themselves. What are the items required for making a non-return valve? I have placed all those things, say for example a steel ball, a silicone ring. This is a very important component. Most important component is this one, and then housings. You may choose pipe fittings best for operation and doing at home. So this is a socket. So what to be done? Suppose you fit it here, your valve will be fitted here. How you make a valve? Let us start first one by one. So this is a surface which is little hard, and if you keep a ball here, to your eye it appears that the hole is closed, but if suppose you fit it here and pour water, you will find the water leaks, because two hard surfaces cannot be liquid proof or even air proof. So for that you need to place a silicone sheet, and there is a hole here, and if you place this rubber iron ball or steel ball here, then this will seal the passage and your water may not go down. That is the concept. Now to do that, what you have to do, you have to place it first inside that like this. You have to see, these are the things you have to remember, and then you have to place it tight, and then you have to put it there. You can see that is placed, but I do not show it for practical operation, just for concept I made it a demonstration here. But for my demonstration today, I have arranged all house materials. This is a lamp glass, wood lamp glass I collected some 20 years back, and then a pipe piece just I collected today, and I fitted this pipe here. And now how to do is more important. You can see the opening of this pipe, I have to place it there itself. So how I do that one, that is the topic for today. Now I place it carefully over the face of the pipe. The silicone rubber or silicone soft membrane is placed, and now I have to place the ball carefully, because this is a glass. So I have to be very careful. How I do, you just observe. I am doing carefully, and then it is placed on the proper point. That means because of the weight of the steel ball, it will have a tight grip on the whole of the silicone membrane. And now have a test, please. We will have a container where we have to pour it down, and another container I do have for water. I will be pouring water in my valve. This is, say for example, a foot valve of a pump, and I pour water. You can see when I pour water, the level of the water inside that, if there is a leak, that is minor, I have to re-up or reconfirm. So this is the idea about. Now you can see I fill it with water, upper container, and there is slight leakage, and that leakage may be due to wrong placement. So if it is rightly placed, I show you now. The valve is okay, and the whole water is not able to come down. And now I show you, this is the foot valve of a pump, water pump in your home. And now when water from the sump or well comes through this point, then the ball will be lifted up and water will be rising here. But once the enter is captured here, it cannot go back to the well or the sump. That is the point of demonstration I will be doing now. What I am doing now, see for example, I have to lift the iron ball, so that you will be observing that the water will be running down. And if it is locked, because of the gravity, this is getting locked automatically. And for confirmation final, I will be placing again water there to show you all that the valve works, and whatever water you pour it here, that goes inside this container, but not getting leaked. This is called the operation. For this mechanism only, whatever I am doing manually, there should be a spring. So, in the next program, when I show you the complete making process including a spring, that will be little miniature. So, that I will be showing later on, but for today this is enough, and let us enjoy it, because one way water can come up, but the reverse water cannot go down. So, this is called the non-return valve. Thank you for watching.